Hey guys, it's learning time. Today we're going to be planting some blueberries. These blueberries came from the store and they're ready to be planted. Blueberries are supposed to be 12 inches deep and 24 inches apart.
This is 12 inches.
Let's put them 24 inches apart. This is how far they have to be from each other. Let's get digging. This has to go 12 inches deep. Is it 12 inches deep yet? No. It's 12 inches deep now. Now it's time to plant the blueberries. We have to get the plant out of the pot so we can plant it. Right now, we're loosening the soil. I'm gonna have my dad take it out so we can put it in the ground. You should loosen up the soil to help the roots grow. Now we have to fill in with soil around the plant. It's in the ground. Now let's do this one. Wow, Nora, good job. Let's check if it's 12 inches. That would do. That's good enough. Be careful taking the plant out of the pot. My dad's breaking up the soil to help the plant grow. Whoa, look at those long roots. Now Nora's going to put the plant in the ground. Good job, Nora. Put the soil around the plant. Good job, Nora. It's in the ground. The blueberries are in the ground. We did it! In a few months, we should have some sweet, juicy blueberries. I can't wait. Bye.